name's David Stevenson, and this presentation is about how to edit and manage the attached documents launchpad of the Q template. Now, the first thing we'll demonstrate is how to add a new document, and you'll see that once we've done this, you'll also know how to edit any existing documents in the launchpad. So let's imagine we've created a new document. Here is our new document here. We decided that we needed an information sheet for suppliers to tell them how to pay us and how to find us and how to deal with us generally. So here it is. Now you'll notice here that we've called it information for suppliers.doc, and also we've got the number there. Now you don't need to do these numbers if you don't want to, but I've put this number in to follow the system, and it makes the files in the attached documents folder work better. There's a separate presentation on how to do these numbers. So we've created this and we've saved it, and let's go and have a look at it in Windows Explorer. Here's our attached files folder, and you can see that right there is our new file, the information for suppliers. Now let's go to the attached documents launchpad, and we'll edit this the launchpad to include this new document. So it's already open, but you will double click that, so I'm going to switch over to it. So the first thing you need to do is find the right place to put this. This is to do with suppliers, it's to do with general policy towards suppliers, so I think the best place for it to be is down here in purchasing, in the procedure manage the suppliers and products list. Now I'm going to show you lazy ways of doing this work because they actually help you make less typing errors, and they're good if you're lazy, if you don't like typing. So let's do it this way. Now what we'll do is duplicate this row of the spreadsheet, and we'll edit it so that it reflects the new document. So we select the row by clicking the row heading so that the whole row is highlighted, and then we will go copy, and then you can see that it's got the outline, the shimmering outline saying that it's in the clipboard, and then we'll right click again and we'll choose insert copied cells. Now if you just choose paste, it'll write over what's there, so you've got to go insert copied cells. Okay, now the first thing we'll do, and here's our first little point of laziness, we're going to get the title of the document from the document itself. So we'll go over to the document itself, we'll select the title here, and then we can go over to Excel and paste it in. Now you do need it'll bring its formatting with you unless you do edit, paste special, text. Okay, and there it is. Now the next thing is to type a description. So there's the description that I've just typed in. Now the last step is to edit the hyperlink, and we can do that in a lazy way too. The first thing we'll do is don't click this because it will go to the document. We'll right click and we'll select edit hyperlink, and I'll move that over here. Now we can go to the document, and this time we'll go to Windows Explorer, and we're going to steal the file name of the document from there. So we'll go over to find the document here. Now we go one click to select and another click to edit the name. Can you see how it's got into editing mode there? Then copy, and now go back to Excel, and in the text to display, select that and go paste. Looks like it won't do right click on the mouse, so we'll go Control V to paste, and we'll go down to the address where it's going to go to when you click it, and go Control V again and OK. And so now we've completed our edit. We've inserted our new document, so we can test this now. We'll click on this, and there it goes straight to that document, so it works. So in the next section we will do deleting documents and also publishing. Don't forget to save your Launchpad spreadsheet as soon as you do this work. Next section is how to delete a document. Now this is very easy. So let's say we don't have a forklift. Most of you probably won't have a forklift, and we don't need the forklift safety checklist. So let's find it. Here it is down here. So very simply, all you do is select the row by clicking the row heading, and then delete the row with a right click and delete, and it's gone. Maybe you don't have a bandsaw, so we can delete that as well. Very simple. Then just make sure that you save the spreadsheet. Now whether you delete the actual files from the attached files or not is your choice. You can go to them and get rid of them. It's probably good because it takes up room in your database, and also if you ever did need them later, well, you have the original copy of the Q template to go back to. So the next thing is how to publish to an HTML file, because you might want to have this launchpad on your intranet. So it's very simple. You save it as a web page and then move it to the correct place. Move the HTML file to the place where you need to have it on the intranet, and you'll need to work out that system. So very simply, going to Excel, File, Save as Web Page, and well, we already have it here because we've saved it before. There it is, and we'll save and we'll replace it. And now back in Windows Explorer, there's our file we've just saved, and you can open it in Internet Explorer and have a look at it. I won't click that because it'll take some time. We'll just flip over to where I've got it on display anyway. Here it is here, sitting in Windows Explorer, and you can select one of these links and it will open up the file. Here we go. There it is there. So that's it for managing the Launchpad.